Today I will discuss about the chapter 9 enzyme as the class 12 RBSc. Topic classification of enzyme. Like the classification of animals, classification of plants, enzyme also classify, but classification of enzyme generally proposed by the here proposed by enzyme commission. Enzyme commission into 6 classes. How many classes? Total of 6 classes. All enzymes are classified into 6 classes as these classes are namely oxidoreductase, class first is oxidoreductase. Enzyme stimulate or enzyme catalyze the oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction catalyzed by the enzyme. Such group of enzymes are called as oxidoreductase. Enzyme. Oxidation reaction in which the either gain of the hydrogen or reduction reaction in which the hydrogen combine in the reduction and hydrogen removes in the oxidation, or base oxidation reduction or redox reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction means redox reaction. Important enzyme which takes part in the oxidoreductase. Good examples are these enzymes are like catalase. Catalase as the alcoholic dehydrogenase. Alcoholic dehydrogenase enzyme, catalase enzyme are good example of oxidoreductase class of enzyme. This class of enzyme has noticed by the code which is called as EC. EC for enzyme code as code number first for oxidoreductase. alcoholic dehydrogenase involved when the acetaldehyde which changes into the ethyl alcohol. When the a change occur, NADH plus H positive changes into the NAD positive. Then the use of alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme, a type of oxidoreductase, class first. Here likewise sometimes the change occur as pyruvic acid which changes into lactic acid. Then in the presence of lactic dehydrogenase, NADH plus H positive changes into the NAD positive. So pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound changes into the lactic acid 3 carbon compound. In the presence of enzyme lactic dehydrogenase, where removal of hydrogen take place. If removal of hydrogen in the chemical reaction, such type of chemical reaction is called as oxidation reaction. If the addition of hydrogen with the reactant in the chemical reaction, such type of chemical reaction is called as reduction reaction. So here these are the examples. As first example, take part in case of alcoholic fermentation. It is take place in case of alcoholic fermentation. In the alcoholic fermentation, the acetaldehyde 2 carbon compound changes into ethyl alcohol 2 carbon compound, where NADH plus H positive changes into NAD positive. In the presence of enzyme alcoholic dehydrogenase. Another example in which the case of lactic acid fermentation. In case of lactic acid fermentation, 3 carbon compound pyruvic acid changes into 3 carbon compound lactic acid, when the NADH plus H positive changes into NAD positive in the presence of enzyme lactic dehydrogenase. So these are the example of the oxidoreductase type of enzyme as class first. According the EC number is 1. According the enzyme commission, as the class second Here, second group of enzyme is transferases. In case of transferases enzyme, transfer of group like CN, CO, CS takes place beside H positive. So, enzyme catalyze transfer of CS3, PO4, NH2 and CO like group in the reaction called transferase. Good example is hexokinase, which is also called as phosphotransferase. Hexokinase enzyme involved in the conversion of glucose 6 carbon compound into the glucose 6 phosphate 6 carbon compound in the presence of enzyme hexokinase in the presence of magnesium ion, where ATP changes into the ATP. Here transfer of phosphate occur on the carbon number 6 of glucose. So it is glucose 6 phosphate. Formation take place from the glucose in the presence of enzyme hexokinase. Hence, hexokinase called as phosphotransferase type of enzyme. So, in the transferase or transferases, enzyme catalyze transfer of methyl group phosphate, amino and the CO-like group means ketone. As here transferase hexokinase take place in case of glycolysis of respiration. Very important first step, as glucose changes into glucose 6 phosphate, then the non-reversible reaction from glucose 6 phosphate, reversible reaction start in the glycolysis. As third type of class is hydrolases. In case of hydrolases, enzyme catalyze the breaking of large molecule into simple molecule by the hydrolysis. Good example is when sucrose C12H22O11, this sucrose combined with the water, then this sucrose in the presence of enzyme sucrase here breaks into the two molecule glucose having formula C6H12O6 and fructose formula C6H12O6. So the hydrolysis type of enzymes breaks the large molecule into the small molecules in the presence of water. Here fourth class is lyase. Fourth class is lyase, in which enzyme involved in breaking the large molecule into small molecules without hydrolysis. Without hydrolysis, large molecule and breaks into the small molecule. Such enzyme known as lyase. Such enzyme known as lyase enzyme. Good example is aldolase. Aldolase involved in breaking of fructose 1,6-diphosphate 6-carbon compound which has broken into the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde 3-carbon compound plus dihydroxy acetone phosphate. Dihydroxy acetone phosphate also 3-carbon compound, but 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde which may change into dihydroxy acetone phosphate and dihydroxy acetone phosphate may change into the 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. In the presence of the enzyme trimose phosphate isomerase. So here formation of 3-carbon compound dihydroxy acetone phosphate. So it is called as DHAP in abbreviation as dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Here 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde. Now it is called as PGAL. PGAL means phosphoglyceraldehyde abbreviation. This aldolase acts as lyase because it involved in the breaking of large molecule into the small molecules without the help of water, without the help of hydrolysis. And fifth class as fifth order of class of enzyme is isomerases. Isomerases. These enzymes involved in the conversion of position isomer or optical isomer in the reaction. For example, as one good example in which glucose 6-phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate 6-carbon compound changes into the isomer fructose 6-phosphate 6-carbon compound in the presence of enzyme phosphohexoisomerase. Here phosphohexoisomerase, good example of isomerase enzyme. So such enzyme involved in the conversion of one position isomers or optical isomer. This phosphohexoisomerase enzyme involved also in the glycolysis in the respiration. It occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. So glycolysis, also called cytoplasmic respiration, in which phosphohexoisomerase convert glucose 6-phosphate as 6-carbon compound into fructose 6-phosphate 6-carbon compound. So phosphohexoisomerase acts as isomerase type of enzyme. Sixth group is ligase. Ligases. These enzymes involve in joining the CO, CS, SH and DNA segment in the reaction. Ligases involved during the DNA replication in the joining of discontinuous chain of the Okazaki segment. This is Okazaki segment which joined by the enzyme ligase in the discontinuous strand as it is 5-3-5-3 direction. Although this is 5-3 here 3-5-3-5. So this is made continue. This is called continuous strand, and another strand makes in the segment. These segments are called as Okazaki segments. Okazaki segments are joined by the help of ligase enzyme. So ligase enzyme involved in the replication of DNA. This occurs in the replication of DNA case. So today we study about the classification of enzyme according to the enzyme commission, and it is also proposed earlier by the IUB. IUB means International Union of Biochemistry. In the 1955, later on, Enzyme Commission proposed 6 classes of enzyme as you study. First enzyme code or class is oxidoreductase, in which enzyme act in the oxidation reduction reaction like catalase, alcoholic dehydrogenase and the lactic dehydrogenase. Class second is transferase, in which transfer of the group take place or transfer of the substrate take place. These groups are CO, SH, Cl like groups. Third class is hydrolases, in which breaking of large molecule into the small molecule take place by the help of water. Reaction is called hydrolysis. Good example is the sucrase, maltase. Sucrase, which breaks the sucrose molecule into glucose and fructose. Maltase breaks the maltose into 2 molecules of glucose. Although both are called as hydrolases. Fourth category is lyases, in which breaking of the large molecule take place without hydrolysis. Good example is aldolase, which convert fructose 1,6-diphosphate into 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Both are 3-carbon compounds in the glycolysis. Fifth class is isomerase. In isomerase, one compound changes into their isomer, position isomer or optical isomer, like glucose 6-phosphate changes into the fructose 6-phosphate by the help of enzyme phosphohexoisomerase, which is also called as a type of isomerase enzyme. Sixth category is ligase, and this ligase generally used in joining the segments of DNA in the replication of DNA case in the discontinuous state, when it joins by the ligase enzyme, where the Okazaki segments are joined in making the discontinuous state. So today you study about the classification of enzymes. I will tell you about the few important questions next lecture.